This type of YouTube shorts and reels videos are getting millions and millions of views. Have a look at few of the videos.
Ready to join the top 1%? Here are 5 quick steps
to get there. Step 1, set clear goals. Find your destination. Step 2, consistent action. Small steps every day.
Listen closely. Rule your life with your mind,
not with your feelings. Every bad decision we have made in life.
This type of videos are really easy to create using free AI tools, and it brings a lot of followers which you can use to make a good source of income. This Instagram account has around 96k followers. If you look at the content of this page, you will observe it follows a similar content pattern which we will analyze in depth later in this video, guys. Alright, this is our video timeline, guys. Without any further delay, let's get started with interesting and the fun part, guys. Step 1 is the script generations. I want to generate a short video script similar to this video.
Ready to join the top 1%? Here are 5 quick steps to get there.
Initially, it will mention the goals, then 5 steps to achieve it. So I will write the given prompt. We got some response in the given format, but it seems lengthy. So again, enter the prompt to make it short. Copy and paste the script in the Google Docs. Step 2 is to generate the AI voiceover. Go to 11labs.com, and if you want to create an AI voiceover for free, then watch this video. Just paste your script here, choose deep voice character, then simply click on generate button. This is our sample AI generated voiceover.
Ready to join the top 1%? Here are 5 quick steps to get there. Step 1.
In this step, we will generate images, videos relevant to our script. Search playgroundai.com and expand the menu options, then click on create on board, then switch to canvas. Here you can give the prompt and generate image for free. First set the image size and then enter the prompt using keywords in your script, then click on generate. Here we have the AI generated image and it looks really cool, guys. Similarly, create all the media files. You can download relevant videos from Pixels, Pixabay. Just add relevant keyword of the script. The last and the most important step is to create a viral video. Okay, let's analyze some of the viral reels video, guys. You may have observed that this viral video has key elements. First, dark background theme. Second, new clips with transitions every 2 to 3 seconds. Third, animated captions. Fourth, a viral background music. I will edit my shorts videos in front of you, how you can add these elements into your shorts and reels and make it go viral. Okay, let's start editing the clip. Open your video editor, create a new project, import the voiceover audio file. Now let's import all the background media files which we have created. Now add the clips according to the voiceover. Now add video transitions like this. Now let's see how to add animated captions in CapCut. Go to text options, then select auto captions and then click on create button. It will generate the captions for you. Adjust the font size and style. Now go to animations, select captions and then set the desired transitions. Here is our animated captions, guys. Now let's find the suitable background music. Go to Instagram Reels, search your keywords and select the Reels music which you like. Copy the link and go to Save Insta and download it. Import the downloaded Reels in your video editor. Extract the audio part and adjust the volume level. Okay guys, let's play our video with background music. Finally export it. That's it, guys. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video, guys.